Hello awesome viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss what are the top free sites to find remote or freelancing jobs. So freelancing and remote working is a hot topic nowadays. So since the pandemic, people are working from remote, work from home. They are searching for these remote jobs to get permit for work from home jobs, right? So I have searched few of the websites. So these are pure remote jobs. If you are just working 9 to 5, you want to earn more. If your company is allowing moonlighting, you can work on this. Or if you just fed up of the company's politics, not not getting a proper role, etc., you can search on these remote jobs. There are few jobs are there which allow 4-day work, which you can work for part time, you can work full time, everything is remote. Okay, so I have also searched few jobs. So here we can just search for jobs and you can type the skill location. Here you can see the senior front end developer, 80% salary, remote worldwide. So these are all don't see which location it is. It's just remote. You can work from India anywhere you can have. Every day is 4-day week job. These all jobs are 4-day week. So this is also another website, workingnomads.com. Here you can just browse with the categories. If I want to land a job on development, I can click on development. I'll get all the results here. This is a React and React Native developer. Location can be anytime. It's a full time. It's a remote job. These are all remote jobs. We can easily browse on it. If you're looking for, let's say, healthcare, and if you want to remove this development, you can get the jobs immediately here also. Here in this website, if you want to search for a business analyst, you can get the results here. Business analyst in the index data, Simba and company. This is a full-time job. You can click here. This will be a high-paying job down. This is also another website, remotehead.com. Here I can search by web IT jobs. Here you'll get different categories of the jobs. For example, I'm seeing for machine learning jobs. You'll get all the competitiveness here. And you can see it is a remote job. It is all remote job. If you want to just see the part-time jobs, you can click on the part-time, and this will be all the part-time jobs. So if you just want to have all categories apart from IT, web and mobile, so you can get all the jobs here. So yeah, those are few websites which I have searched. If you guys find any websites, let me know in the comments below. So yeah, so that's it for the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.